Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Console with your Zerodha ID and password. Enter the 2FA code when prompted. Once done, click the console link inside Kite or open the console URL directly to reach the dashboard. You need to verify that your DMAT and bank accounts appear under Profiles. This avoids later submission delays. Make sure to note the account summary numbers so you can confirm balances in the next steps. You now navigate to Portfolio, expand holdings to inspect each script, and check quantities, average price, and unrealized P&L. Next, go to Reports to download Tradebook, Contract Notes, and the P&L statement. These files are essential for tax filing and performance review. Once downloaded, reconcile Tradebook entries against your bank and DP statements. Discrepancies often arise from corporate actions or settlement. To finish, review orders and settlements to confirm executed trades and pending obligations. Cancel or adjust open orders if required. Once done, update KYC or bank details through the console forms and upload any required documents. This ensures future payouts and redemptions clear correctly. If you encounter mismatched balances or missing contract notes, document trade ID, timestamps, and take screenshots. Then contact Zerodha support. The support team needs those specifics to resolve settlement or reporting issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.